Many people want to learn ethical hacking but don't know where to begin or worry about the cost and technical stuff. In this video, you will learn how to set up your own hacking lab for free. Whether you are just starting or already know some tech basics, we can create a hacking lab with this for software. All the necessary links can be found on the description. First, we need to install VirtualBox. With VirtualBox, we can create one hacking lab, and also we can install different software in this environment. Click on download. Here we have VirtualBox for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, and etc. I want to download for Windows. Choose your operating system. After that, download Metasploit. Metasploit has a lot of vulnerabilities that we can practice with that. After that, you need to download Kali Linux. Open kali.org. Click on download. Select a virtual machine. Download Kali Linux for VirtualBox. Here we have Kali Linux for different virtual machine, but for this lab we need Kali Linux for VirtualBox. Click on download. After that, you need to download Windows 10 or Windows 11. I recommend to start with Windows 10. Now we can install these softwares one by one. First, install VirtualBox. Double click on VirtualBox. Click on yes. It is so easy to install. Just next, accept, next, next, yes, next, install. Finish. Create one folder. Right click, create one folder, write any name you want. Unzip Metasploit and Kali Linux. Right click on Kali Linux, click on vendor, extract file. We want to extract it on desktop. We create one folder. I want to extract here. Also extract Metasploit. Right click. You can extract with WinRAR or 7-zip. Open this folder. Here we have Kali Linux and also Metasploit. Okay. Now you can delete these two files, Metasploit and Kali Linux. I want to shift delete. Cut this folder. I want to paste on document. Be careful, never remove this folder. Now open VirtualBox. Click on add. Go to document or anywhere you put your folder. Open it. First, let us install Kali Linux. Open Kali Linux. Select this file. It is .vbox. Select, open. Click on settings. System. 2 GB is enough for this software. If you have more, you can select 4. Okay. Click on start. If you want to learn ethical hacking, then follow this course and don't forget to subscribe the channel. The username is Kali. It is by default. The password is also Kali. Click on login. It is finished. We successfully installed Kali Linux. Let us install Metasploit. You can minimize or you can power off. Click on new, write name here. I want to write Metasploit tune. Select type, it is Linux. Subtype, it is Oracle Linux. Version is also Oracle Linux 64. Finish. Click on setting. Come to system. 2 GB is enough. Leave everything as default. Select storage. Click here. Add hard disk. Select Metasploit. Choose. Select Metasploit.vdi. Click in this CD icon. Choose disk file. Come to this path. Find your folder you created before. It was on document and hack folder for me. Select your Metasploit. Then select Metasploit.vmdk. Open. Click on OK. Click on Start. The installation is finished. Username is msfadmin. Password is also msfadmin, but the password is not visible. Now we successfully log in on Metasploit. Let's check the IP. Fconfig. It is the IP address 10.0.2.15. Also, you can power off this software. Click on VirtualBox. Right click here. Click on Stop. Power off. We install 2 software. Let us install third one. It is Windows 10 or Windows 11. Click on New. Write one name here. I want to write here Windows 10. It is Microsoft Windows. It is Windows 10 64-bit. OK. Finish. Come to settings. Come to system. 2 GB is enough. If you have more, you can select more. I want to select 3. Leave everything as default. Click on storage. Come to empty. Click in this CD. Choose a disk file. Select your Windows. Open. OK. Click on Start. Next. To install now. Here I don't have product key. Select Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license. Next. Select custom install. Select your drive. Next. Select your country. Yes. Keyboard layout. Yes. Escape. Now I don't have internet. Continue with limit step. Enter username. Enter password. Accept. Accept. It is finished. We can full screen it. Click on device. Click on insert guest. Open File Explorer. This PC. Double click. Select your VirtualBox edition. It is 64-bit for me. Double click. Yes. Next. Next. install. Finished. Your system will restart. Now you can full screen, come to view, full screen mode, switch, shut down the windows. We create our own hacking lab. On the next video, we will start with Call Linux. Now have a good time.